This is Max. He's 8 years old and loves playing, but not so much doing chores or homework. Today begins like any other, messy and late. Max dashes off without brushing his teeth, again. "Don't forget your lunch," calls Mom, but Max is already halfway down the street. At school, Max can't find his pencil or notebook. His teacher, Ms. Green, gives him a gentle frown. Being prepared is part of being responsible, Max. Max notices Lily's organized desk and homework. "How do you do it?" he asks. Lily shrugs. "I try to take care of my stuff. It helps." After school, Max trudges home, frustrated. "Why does everything go wrong for me?" he mumbles as the sky begins to rumble. But wait, what's that? A strange glowing book lies at his feet. Max's Magical Taskbook, it says. "What's this?" he gasps. When Max opens the book, magical pages flutter. A voice whispers, "Every task completed brings a reward. Every skipped one brings a challenge." Suddenly, Max's room changes. Floating symbols light up. Brush teeth, feed my fish, clean room. Max gulps. Sounds boring. Max laughs and closes the book. But the room darkens, and, yuck, the floor turns to sticky gum. Gross. Okay. He hurries to the bathroom and brushes his teeth. The mirror glows and a golden star appears. "Nice," says Max. Next, he feeds Bubbles, his pet fish. The water glows, and Bubbles does a happy flip. Max chuckles. This isn't so bad. He packs his school bag, double-checking everything. A cheerful ding echoes. Another star appears in the air. With each small task, the room brightens. Posters straighten, toys hop into place. Responsibility is making things better. Max proudly shows Mom the book. She gasps, "You did all this by yourself." Max grins, "With a little help." At school, Max pulls out every item on time. Ms. Green claps gently. "Now that's the Max I know you can be." Later, Lily drops her books. Max hurries to help. "Thanks, Max," she says. He smiles, just trying to be helpful. The book flutters open again. A new page reads, "Helping others equals bonus rewards." Max beams. Cool. At the park, Max notices a little kid struggling. He kneels down. "Here, let me help you tie that." The stars glow again. On the way home, Max spots litter. He picks it up, one by one. Trees sway happily. The world feels better. The book shows old scenes, late mornings, forgotten homework. Max frowns. "That wasn't me anymore," he whispers. That night, Max's room sparkles with joy. A final page appears. "You leveled up in responsibility." Max dances around. In his dreams, Max is now a superhero, Taskmaster Max, helping kids learn responsibility. "Let's tidy the world," he shouts. Max wakes up. The book is gone, but on his pillow rests a glowing golden star. Did it really happen? He wonders. He tapes the star to his wall and writes a note. "Be ready. Be responsible. Be kind." He nods. Every day. Now, every day, Max walks to school a little taller, a little prouder. Because being responsible feels magical.